Well, we're going in a few minutes. It's just too darn cold out here.
I'm not cold.
I'm freezing.
That's why you need
No, not in the steps over there, Chrissy. Yeah, well. I think that Chris was here.
Send this to Daddy.
I'm gonna send it to Daddy. You wanna send Daddy a snowball? Oh gosh.